I'm not even fucking loaded.
We ain't scared of the rain?
Yeah!
Ah! And my mouth wasn't open, thank God. Where are we shooting, boys? Okeechobee Sports, June 30th. First video of the crew. Try and do some of this for you guys. Right here, we got a simple bay. We're starting with 7-yard targets, paper targets. Tier 1 concealed stuff. So it'll be simple. We'll figure it out. I don't know the rules yet, but Connor does, so he'll explain it to us. And then, yeah, we've got Patrick, Matt, Connor, James, Steven behind the cam, Danny. We got a whole gang of 7, so. What are we shooting, Manny? The 47, Glock 47, the newest puppy that they brought with Paulson SCS. Sits pretty on there. Beautiful.
Got the new Glock 19X. First day on the range with it.
Very clean.
I'm going to give you a little review a little later, maybe.
Excellent, excellent. TTI Combat with the Hollow Stone comp. Brand new. Let you know how it goes. James, what are we shooting today? What are we shooting?
The same Glock.
Don't tell me, tell me. Connor, what are we shooting today?
Shooting a stick.
Camera,
sorry,
brother.
My bad. No, we're shooting the Glock 35. So 34. Sorry, I apologize. 40 caliber. She's a beauty.
Very nice. Very nice.
I was like, what the fuck?
Draw one. Draw one. Draw
Yeah,
one.
work on your draw, and I want maybe let me start at 70%. Draw at 70% speed coming up, and then 30. Take that 30%, work on target acquisition and trigger pull. So,
Okay.
and then just build up more speed as you can.
Nice. Not bad, brethren.
Good slide there.
$10.29.
How we feeling about that?
That was dog shit.
Sheesh.
Bye.
I'm not even fucking loaded.
It was a great motion if it means anything. Like, come and look at from this side.
You ready?
Stand by.
Well, you had some nice group.
1029.
How we feeling about that one?
I hate this trigger.
Gentlemen, set up the targets. Pliers.
I have my GoPro too.
It's spinning, man.
Danny, do you have
I need to hold it.
Range setup, range setup. What we got going on?
Oh, we just chilling. Got 2 on each over there, and then the steel.
Gun and mag on the barrel. You're gonna pick up, load 2 shots, and then 1 on the steel. Move up to this first barrel, and then it's 2 shots on the paper, 1 shot on the side target to the head, and then finish off with those 2 last steels.
Ice cubes in the hat, boys.
What?
Let's go.
That's a fucking move.
Toasty out here.
That's a move.
Got to bring my fucking wet towel.
Being soft. Of getting
I
both.
have the.
2 papers, like similarly, 2 papers, 1 to the head, and then 1 to that small steel. Move up to this barrel from here. Shoot these papers, paper, steel, 2 steels. So 3 steels and these 2 papers leaning over.
Oh, I'm supposed to shoot that one too, right? Yeah, I missed a bunch of shit.
Missed a bunch of shit.
I missed a bunch of shit. What's going on over here, gentlemen? What do we got? What do we got on the grill? Let me see the glizzies. What do we got on the grill, bunch? Ooh, it's glizzy time. Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Glizzys and Glocks.
Glizzys and Glocks, boys.
GG's. There you go.
We ain't scared of the rain. Ah! Wait for me.
Ball. Hit deep ball. It's going to make my whole
What a soldier. 25 yards again. Oh!
I grabbed it and just what?
Got the rifle. On the pistol. 102. All right, speed it up.
So that works?
What works?
Does that count or no?
No, you need 1.
Right.
Under 1. Okay.
Under 1.
I feel like he's worked this.
There you go. 0.91.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now it's what?
Out of box.
So
Nah.
that's out of pocket. 1.5.
Damn it.
1.79.
Okay, one more attempt.
128.
Okay.
All right.
So I got it so far.
Very
All right.
good.
So now this one, it's
You
from
load- and
compressed ready.
Load your pistol. The puppy. All right. 2.5.
Hold on. All right.
All right. Ready? Oh. 3.46.
I couldn't find my dot.
Oh, that's what I was saying. You hesitated when you pulled the
Yeah, I
the gun out
couldn't
because your
find the
draw
dot.
was decent.
Ah!
It's 306.
Still garbage. All right.
0.98. All right, ready? Out of pocket. All right. One, two, two. All right, let's see if we can bust out this last one. All right, ready? $259. Oh,
Damn! That's fun.
One more try on it.
ready?
I think that fucking whatever you.
Heavy.
That hesitation, yeah.
That heavy got your ass.
Faster, you got one, less than 1.
Put the purse down.
Oh, that's annoying. We got one more.
Imagine how annoying it is if someone's laughing over there to your left when it happens.
You can laugh.
Already. All right. To the fucking chest. Here we go.
Might go to your face now.
Ready?
This.
102.
Slow it down.
Yep.
Combination. Combination.
Combination.
Ready?
Yep.
And my mouth wasn't open, thank God.
Hot shot.
Did you hit the pistol?
No.
Alright, take 2.
It's somewhere else, bro.
Take 2.
Oh!
There you go. 141.
You ready? Stand by.
All 4-3.
Got it.
Got it. 133 on the first one. What was that second one? Second one was 170. Damn.
What was the thing on the third one?
Oh, 138. 182. 170. Got better.
Alright, we're improving.
You hit it. That got better.
Let's go. I'm done. I'm done.
While you're ahead.
Get it while you're ahead, boys. Learn from me.